Good morning, colleagues. Asanteni sana. Thank you for coming for this brief news conference that will outline some of the President's activities ahead of his 5-day walking tour of the Mount Kenya region. During his tour, President Ruto will launch various projects aimed at improving the quality of the lives of the people in line with the government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. This agenda will keep on repeating and reiterating, as the President says, prioritizes bringing down the cost of living, eradicating hunger, creating jobs, expanding the tax base, improving our foreign exchange balance and promoting inclusive growth through interventions in 5 core sectors of agriculture, MSMEs development, housing and settlement, universal health coverage, and digital superhighway and creative economy. The development tour begins tomorrow on Saturday, 5th August 2023. The President will kick off the tour in Githurai, Kiambu County, where he'll commission the Githurai water supply project. The project will supply about 35,000 cubic meters of water per day to serve over 500,000 residents of Ruiru, Githurai, Mwihoko, and Kahawa, and will provide water connections to about 8,400 people. Also on Saturday, President Ruto will commission the redevelopment of Githurai Market. This comes just 3 days after the State Department of Housing and Urban Development, as you all witnessed, advertised for the construction of 72 markets across the country. The President promised to build a total of 400 markets over the next 3 years to fulfill his commitment to Mama Mboga and dignify their hustles by providing them with modern markets across the country. Later on Saturday, the head of state will commission the Kagio water supply project in Kagio town, Kirinyaga County. He will also commission the upgrade of the 42.5-kilometer Marua Kwa Wambui road, a critical infrastructure, of course, that will ease the movement of goods and services and spur development in Madhira, Nyeri County. Throughout the day, the President will engage, as he always does, with the residents in those localities, concluding with a Meet the People tour in Karatina town in Nyeri.